If you're looking for omega-3 oil, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Nature Made. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Dr. Tobias. Number 3, by Now Foods. Get your favorite omega-3 oil now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Megared. Number 5, by Nature's Bounty. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.
If you're looking for omega-3 oil, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide.